Hey gamers! I'm Al Kuka and this is my sister Anna. Angel Anna. We are gonna do a fireworks.
No, we're not. We're doing the shout out. The 4th of July shout.
It's 4th of July. It's fireworks. Guys, I got one more word. I knew those on the TNT Rush game.
July 4th, 1776 was the day we signed the Declaration of Independence. We signed the Declaration. We signed it. The bald eagle is our national animal.
Stop it. Stop it. Smack you. I'm smacking you. This is the bald eagle. National animal. Not the turkey. This is our flag.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, lift off! And the winners are Hollywood GPs. Nima 7. Spider Dude.
Yes, Spider Dude, you're my number one.
Yoshi Gallagher. I got it. Yoshi. Razor Gaming 89.
Fun. Oh, what fun. 22. Sky 24, 21. Sky.
2124.
Gave me that spot. Purple flame fox. Potato King. The best game of HD is.
Wait, is there something coming out of the sky? Oh! I caught the American flag. It was coming out of the sky.
Animation plan. Karen Gibson. Nicholas for
We
you.
will play games for you. Just show me. Ow!
Swaggy Duck. Short Demon. 80.
Stop, you're getting me wet.
Dinosaur.
Elijah Gamer.
Jack Jane plays.
The He-Man.
Guys, wait, somebody's flying in the air.
The He-Man Gamer.
TKC. CJ Skywalker. Wait a minute, I'm not going for these from Freddy Fazbear.
Everyone knows that.
Fredbear. What about
Purple guy.
Bam. Xandanation. Early gaming. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, by liberty and justice for all. And the lights are by